What is going on? It's your boy Warner Brother, and we're back with some more Need for Speed No Limits, episode 113. It's time to dive back into some more daily grind racing. We have more tuner PvPs, more tuner trials, more car series, possibly more campaign. No, definitely more campaign replayables, and definitely some more car tuning. Now, let's get right into it. So, Alfa Romeo. Oh boy, I'm licking my chops on this one. They released their car today, and I'm going to keep it real with y'all. It was probably the best looking Formula One car that I've seen in the past 5 years. It looked absolutely, positively awe-inspiring. Just absolutely amazing. The C43 will be Sauber's last Alfa Romeo badged Formula One car. That means after this season, Alfa Romeo will be leaving Formula One, and it'll be back to Sauber until Audi joins in, I believe, 2025, 2026 for the regulations. So yeah, looking forward to it, honestly. And oh, Viper, very nice. Oh, the temptation is strong with this one. That's very nice. Spoiler alert, we're gonna get it. But first things first, let's go ahead and grab the 90 gold. Also, after Alfa Romeo, Alpha Tauri, their car launch will be on the 11th of February. So I'll leave a link to the AlphaTauri Formula One, Scuderia AlphaTauri Formula One team. So we gotta go. We got our race gifts. Let's go ahead and grab the first of 5 free upgrade crates. Just really quickly, just running through it. Plus, we still have the PvPs and the tuner trials and the car series and yada 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 blah blah blah. Okay, we are. Materials won't be coming. Oh, we have it here. Let's see, blueprints. No, materials. Yes, we need 1 throttle sensor. Thank you. Springs. We need a bunch of springs. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how many springs I need. But I know we need 4 for the Mercedes. So, just grab those. Head over here. Still have 288,000 even. And definitely gonna need a new headset. My microphone is very loosey-goosey. Anyways, there she is. The very beautiful Mercedes. It's a very nice Mercedes. A very popular Mercedes. Very fast Mercedes, I ain't gonna lie to you. Though it's hard to maintain that speed in my previous knowledge. By previous knowledge, I mean just flat out experience with this car. But we at least managed to grab what we needed for this project. And I'm excited for it. I'm very excited for it. It's very nice. I'm so happy we actually got this car. Like, I am ecstatic about having this car in the garage. So, let's continue on. We will be working on the RX-7 eventually. And, let me see. Because I'm trying to think. Let's go ahead and grab the battery before we continue on. So, I'll hop over here. And battery. There you are. Now, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I was not able to fully take advantage of the double rep event that went on. But it's okay because we actually did make good progress. We gained 2 levels in our rep. So, honestly, Not even like disappointed about any of it. You know, we did good. We honestly did good, in my opinion. Let's go here. Still need relays. We might just go back to the unicorn. Because I think there might be one of these where if I put the battery in it, I'm gonna get a rebuild. Hey, I know, there it is. Look at the rebuild potential here. That's nice. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's spicy. Look at the PR level, 795. This unicorn, just broke into the top 10 and freaking is staking his claim, and I'm enjoying it. Thoroughly enjoying it. Alright, so let's slide on over to the right. Let's go over to one of these, yes? Let's go here. No, not that one. I want to do the nitro. No, not that one. Let's do the wheels. Why are we doing the wheels? Because you'll see. It's going to be eventually a double rebuild. We already got that, so that's taken care of. Let's go out of there. Our rebuild 2 parts is done. Very nice. Okay, so let's hop out of there. And I do want to take a look at the store now. That one for the Skyline is very, very tempting. But we're not gonna go for it. We're not gonna go for it. Well, I said I wouldn't. I ended up doing it. And no regrets. That being said, let's go ahead and hop out of there. We also will be doing that Proving Grounds event in the vault for that particular car. Eventually, not anytime soon. Let me go ahead and bring up this brightness. It's hard for me to see what I'm doing here. Very nice. Okay, very good. So back into the garage. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the 50th car into the garage. The Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Of course, this car is from 1971. So, new car complete. So this is car number 50 in our garage. And she looks magnificent and magnifico. Very nice. Arrivederci. I have no idea what I'm saying. I know it's Italian, it's just, it's not adding up. I know. Don't worry about it. And we also have a stage up. Because why not? So stage 3 complete. And this is our lowest rated car. It's gonna be for quite a while. In fact, that's the only car I could think of that's sitting in the 200s. Now, the garage has 50 cars, and I need 3 more blueprints to get 4 stars. Shoot, say less. But while we're here, might as well. I'm tempted to not really spend this money. Do I want to put this engine in here? Or do I want to hold off? think I want to hold off. Before I do, I want to take a look at something. That's a lot of scrap. Now, if I sold these 3 parts, scrapped them, so honestly wouldn't help that much, now would it? I think it'd be best if I went ahead and just used the parts. So that's what we're gonna do. Huge gains, by the way. Massive gains. Very substantial gains. Oh yes, this is very nice. This is very nice. Right well into the 300s. Very good. Turbo. Press sleeve. Oh, I pressed the wrong part. Honestly, this is good. And I think we started from what, 196, which is quite low. Alright, mod shop. There is a body kit. Ooh, ooh. That's nice. Well, that's very nice. I dig that. I can't wait to build this car up. Why does it give me like muscle car hoods? That's weird. No, we won't do that. No, that's good. I think this would be the best. Just normal splitter. Oh, don't. Ooh, wait a minute. BBS's look good on there. Let's go. Let's go with these. Yeah. That looks good. Oh god. I would never put a roof scoop on this. That doesn't look bad. Not bad. Right. Of course we keep the spoiler on it. Yeah, put that one on there. Here. Here we know what to go for. But for now, we'll leave everything else stock. Let's go ahead and paint it black. Alright, there we go. Last but not least, Stance Nation. Yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. Though I am going to put those deep dishes on when I get the chance. I think that looked great on this car. Alright. How about let's grab the second of 5 free upgrade crates. Input shaft. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's head into the PvPs. Got quite a bit of racing to do. So we head into the breakneck division. Try and see if we can get those blueprints for the Ford Falcon XB coupe. There we go. Let's go. Days that they go to start, oh geez. That was a good run. It wasn't perfect, but definitely was good. Here we go. Here we go. Amazing stuff. Not a bad run, but it could have been a lot cleaner. Ooh, back to another Mercedes. Ghetto youth. That's funny. Looks like if Darth Vader had a Mercedes. That's exactly what it would look like. Not bad looking though. Not a bad looking Mercedes. Come on. Ooh, didn't get the launch. Okay, this isn't good. We made a lot of mistakes just now. And I lost. Yep, I was lost. Made too many mistakes. I would have beat him if I didn't make so many mistakes. Can't win them all. Or can you? I mean, you can. You just gotta get better, I guess. That's a very nice looking Mercedes. A race car status, okay. Here we go. Beautiful start. Nailed the launch this time. I'm not gonna try not to make the same mistakes I did in the last race. Hold the nitro this time. And fire. There we go. Sometimes it's best once you're at speed to let the nitrous build a little bit so you can blast off. Whew. And a new personal best. We're at 29:07. That's what you call redeeming yourself. We're gonna get quite a lot of points by the end of this week. Oh, first Polestar we gotta go up against. And it doesn't look promising. Yeah, that car is rather big though. Alright, let's see what the hybrid's got. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie to you. This Ferrari has a gnarly freaking launch. And I didn't save my nitrous. Nearly a new personal best. Damn sure drive it like it was. All right. 4 out of 5, not bad. We'll take it. Almost hit race by accident. So let's grab some materials from the black market. Some very much needed materials out the black market. Let's see. Relay. Okay. So relay 1, 2, 3, 4. Might as well. I was trying to figure out. Oh no, wait, I did. Okay, so unicorn. Wow, I pressed the Mercedes. Just realized that. So relays. 2 there. Put 2 here. All right. 797. About to crack the 800 club. So let's grab the third free upgrade crate of the day. Harness, okay. Do I need a harness? We'll find out soon enough. Guess not. Okay, let's hop into tuner trials. So it's Wednesday, and that means we got wheel materials. And I need tread. How much tread I need? Let's find out. Okay, so I need 2. Here we go. Now, time for the Black History Month Raptor 4 Fiesta ST to do its thing. And a fantastic start. Ooh. Across the line. That was a really good run. I left nothing to chance, and I left nothing on the table. Now this one, I might have a little bit of fun with. See if we can win without nitrous. Spoiler alert, we will. Cross the line. Two tuners are all done. Now we can hop out of there and hop into the car series. Old school cool, we'll leave alone. Let's hop into Super Coupes. Yeah, let's do Super Coupes. Time Trial Hunter and Rush Hour. Can we get to drive a car? I haven't driven in a while. I love the sound of this thing. In a launch like that, oh, people's gotta be jealous. Here we go. On to it. Damn it. I'm trying to avoid traffic, not crash into it. I didn't get a single near miss off that. That's bogus. That's very bogus. Oh well. Okay, what am I? Next up, a hunter race. Ooh, hold it. Hold it. Ooh, that was fast. Cross the line under 25 seconds. Missions. Hey, win 5,000 races. Wow, I didn't realize that close. Damn. And then we're halfway there to winning 10,000 races. Oh, that's gonna take a while. That's cool. Alright. Ooh, a super gearbox. It might go into the GTR. No, we'll see. Oh. Alright, here we go. Beautiful part. right. Whoa, big hang time. All right. That's a good run, actually. Very good. And we got the gearbox. Nice. Alright, 9 daily assignments complete. And let's pop in that gearbox. Let's see, super. Apparently we don't need it. Alright, the GTR is part of the sport class. Wait a minute. So that means a good amount. Alright, so free crate number 4. Another blow-off valve, okay. Meantime, there's some gaskets. Alright. Gaskets. Let's see. Blow-off valve. That's close. Didn't expect that. Okay. Oh, flywheel. Nice. Alright. Wait a minute. Back in the garage. Okay, here's what we're gonna do actually. We're actually going to end this episode right here because we are actually going to shoot I wasn't supposed to do that. I was supposed to go into another car. That's okay. We'll come back for it. But we're gonna end this episode here because next episode we're gonna start Alpha Bravo. We're gonna do it a little bit early. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this episode. Like and subscribe for more content. And tune in next time for episode 114. Also, for the Alpha Tauri, from a Scuderia Alpha Tauri F1 car launch, I'll leave a link to the Scuderia Alpha Tauri channel for Formula 1 news and content. Check out Chapter 61, the race, WTF1, and of course the Formula 1 channel. For NASCAR content, I'll leave a link to the NASCAR channel. And for other racing game and general gaming content, I'll leave links to different channels in the description. So, our Black History Month car of the day, the episode, is this beautiful Black History Month wrapped 180 SX with the Rocket Bunny kit and sponsored by Speed Hunters. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for joining. Much love and appreciation. It's your boy One Brother. I'm out. Peace.